If you've archived a chat in ChatGPT and want to bring it back, this video will show you the fastest way to unarchive it. This is really helpful if you hid an old conversation by mistake, or if you want to reopen an important chat so you can continue working from where you left off. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick ChatGPT tips and step-by-step guides. Let's get into it. First, open ChatGPT and look to the bottom left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile or account icon there. Click on it to open the account menu. This is where ChatGPT keeps your main, settings, and account options. From the menu, click Settings. Once the Settings panel opens, you'll see different categories for customizing your ChatGPT experience. Now look for Data Controls and click that section. This is where ChatGPT stores privacy-related options, history controls, and archived conversation tools. Inside Data Controls, find the option labeled Archived Chats. Next to it, you should see a Manage button. Click that Manage button to open your archived conversations. Once the list appears, you'll be able to view the chats you previously archived. Now look through the archived chat list and find the conversation you want to restore. Depending on the interface version, you may be able to click an Unarchive option or simply move the chat back into your active chats list. Select the chat you want, then confirm the action if ChatGPT asks you to. In just a moment, that conversation should return to your main chat history, making it easy to pick up right where you stopped. If you don't see the chat right away, refresh the page and check your recent conversations again. Sometimes the interface takes a second to update. Also, remember that archived chats are not deleted. They're just tucked away so your workspace stays clean. That means you can bring them back anytime using the same steps, and that's it. You've now learned how to unarchive chats in ChatGPT in just a few simple clicks. If this video helped you, please give it a like, subscribe for more ChatGPT tutorials, and let me know in the comments what you want to learn next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.